What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to walk you to how to dissolve an LLC in Texas. Dissolving a limited liability company in Texas involves several key steps to properly wind up the business and terminate its legal existence. From obtaining the necessary approvals to filing the required paperwork with the state, this process ensures the LLC is officially dissolved and no longer subject to liabilities or taxes. By following this guide, you can navigate the Texas LLC dissolution process efficiently and in compliance with the state regulations. Get proper approval. Ensure you have the necessary approval to dissolve the LLC. This typically requires a majority vote of the LLC members or may be specified in the LLC's operating agreement or certificate of formation. Document the approval process. Stop doing business. Cease all businesses' operations except those necessary to wind up the LLC's affairs. This includes fulfilling existing contracts, selling assets, collecting debts, and paying creditors. Notify creditors and claimants. Send written notice of the dissolution to all known creditors and claimants of the LLC. This gives them an opportunity to recover any outstanding debts. Obtain a certificate of account status. Request a certificate of account status from the Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts. This verifies the LLC has paid all required state taxes. The certificate must be attached to the certificate of termination. File a certificate of termination. File a certificate of termination with the Texas Secretary of State. This form must include details like the LLC name, formation date, file number, governing persons, and the reason for dissolution. There is a $40 filing fee. Handle any other outstanding matters. Ensure all other outstanding business matters are properly addressed, such as distributing remaining assets, settling legal claims, and fulfilling any other winding up requirements. Properly dissolving an LLC in Texas involves a series of important steps to ensure a smooth and compliant termination of the business entity. By following the outlined procedures, from obtaining approval to filing necessary paperwork and addressing outstanding matters, you can effectively close your LLC in Texas. If you have any further questions or need assistance, do not hesitate to seek professional guidance to navigate the dissolution process smoothly. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.